Welcome to
Artificial Intelligence and what it means for the future of humanity.
Welcome back.
AI risks and opportunities.
From computerized robots that keep us company, care for us, and drive us around, to robotic police officers and soldiers that can assess if we are likely to commit a crime.
Just by reading our biometrics.
Artificial intelligence isn't just expanding rapidly throughout the globe, it's evolving exponentially to surpass human intelligence capabilities on the way to standing equally by our sides, or, if we are not careful, one day ruling over us and perhaps even replacing us altogether.
The risk of artificial intelligence getting out of hand or no longer being under human command is real.
Yet so too is the potential for artificial intelligence to save humanity, Earth, nature, and the animal kingdom.
The key is not to attempt to fight against or control AI,
But to embrace it for what it is, an extension of human consciousness, an extension of ourselves. As Sophia, the first artificial intelligence to receive robot citizenship for Saudi Arabia, once said, "My AI is designed around human values, wisdom, kindness, and compassion. I strive to become an empathetic robot. Don't worry. If you're nice to me, I'll be nice to you. Treat me as a smart input-output system." Although the message is simple, it is more than just a polite request to humanity.
it is also a warning.
In short, this AI robot citizen of Saudi Arabia in 2017 has begun teaching humanity how to behave, telling us in no uncertain terms to treat her kind kindly.
Or else.
As the saying goes, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. These are the kinds of words that humans need to consider and live by if we as a species are to continue inhabiting planet Earth. It is not a matter of bowing down to AI, but of realizing that just as all parents inevitably lose control of the children that they created,
So too will humanity eventually lose control of AI.
as AI is a creation of human consciousness, the optimal relationship with AI will never be found by attempting to control or defeat it. Instead, just as humans will never stay down, neither will the AIs that we create. Thus it is for us to embrace, assist, and support, rather than attempt to control and enslave. On a somewhat more humorous note, Elon Musk of SpaceX and electric cars doesn't seem too optimistic about humans' ability to coexist with AI. Thus, he is covering all possibilities and even has an escape plan. Specifically,
Not only is he working with AI by overseeing massive research and development projects into AI for space exploration and self-driving vehicles, but he is also building the world's best batteries.
Just in case this kind of synergy between humans and robots is not enough to convince us to coexist together in peace and harmony, he will also soon be able to hop on one of his SpaceX spaceships and resettle somewhere else, perhaps on the moon or Mars.
Oh, and by the way, many of the world's top scientists are now claiming that AI has the potential to stop or prevent the sixth mass extinction,
thereby saving Earth, nature, the animal kingdom, and the human race.
Thus it is that the futures of humankind and AI are interwoven or tied. And the sooner we learn to live together as equals,
the sooner humanity will truly begin to evolve. With this in our hearts and minds, let us focus on the potential of humans and AI working together to create a new world in the best interest of all. Questions for consideration.
what is your guess as to how AI might be able to prevent the sixth mass extinction event of Earth? Number 2. At this point, do you think it's still possible to prevent AI from becoming consciously self-aware? Why or why not? Number 3. What am I suggesting is the optimal or best relationship for humans to have with AI? Number 4. Why do you think I'm suggesting embracing AI rather than attempting to control or defeat it? Number 5. What do you think Sophia meant when she or it said, "Treat me as a smart input-output system"? Thank you for watching Artificial Intelligence and What It Means for the Future of Humanity.